Hi, Francisco's Automotive. If you're watching this video, it's because you live in the city of Irvine and you need help with an Audi. Why should I go to Francisco's Automotive Repair? There you got 100 choices between Irvine and Huntington Beach. I got a shop on Slater between Beach Boulevard and Gothard. I've been working on Audi since 1976, the good old Audi 100 LS. This is my shop. If you fan my shop, I used to have two shops on the outside of the railroad tracks. I sold one, I moved the other one here. When I started my shop, I worked on BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Volkswagen, and Audi. I have since given up BMW, Mercedes, and Porsche. I could not give up Audi because it's been my baby. So why should I go to Francisco's Automotive? Because he gives a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, because he's been working on Audi since 1976, because he hires master techs, because he opens up at 7 o'clock in the morning, we'll give you a ride home, we'll pick you up, and I try to test drive every car myself. My shop foreman has been a mechanic for 30 years. He's been working on Volkswagen for over 20 years. Now Audi is probably one of the best cars built. They are ahead of their time. And with Audi and Volkswagen, they are brothers. They are, sometimes people think they are over-engineered, but they're not. They're just way ahead of their time. Volkswagen in the 60s had a connector that if you plugged into it, it would tell you everything that's wrong with the car. It didn't work very well, but the head was there. Volkswagen and Audi hired Bosch away from Ford, so they are way ahead of their technology. So again, if you live in the city of Irvine and you have problem with an Audi, give me a call with any of your questions, 714-375-2661. Calls with any of your questions. I can fix anything except broken hearts. I got 3 daughters. I learned that from a friend of mine, Scotty. Calls with any of your questions. Thank you.